Hello everyone. As we discussed previous classes that about the plant kingdom, and also we know that plant kingdom is one of the most important chapter for the point of the NEET also, as we can expect almost 3 questions from this chapter, okay, and more than that also we can expect, okay, sometimes. So what is the necessity of this chapter? It became more important for the point of NEET is, see, as you all know that the basic things in the plant kingdom, that is, it is having the 5 different types of the things, that is algae, and also bryophyta, and also pteridophyta, and also gymnosperms, and also angiosperms, right? So first we need to know how the life has started. So as we know all that algae is one of the most important basic plant kingdom, right? So from here, by studying the algae, we come to know that so many ideas about the green algae, red algae, and also brown algae. So many systems of classifications also we have seen. So now let's solve some of the important questions which have been asked in the previous years based on the topic, that is plant kingdom. Okay, the first question is, phylogenetic system of classification is based on. So they are asking what is meant by phylogenetic, and it is system is based on what basis they have defined. See, as you all know that 3 different types of systems of classifications are there. One is natural system, one is artificial, and one is phylogenetic also, right? So in the previous things, whatever the systems of classifications are there, we don't know how exactly the organisms have been started, and also where they have come. We have not studied in. But in the phylogenetic system of classification, we got idea that how the systems and how the organisms have been developed here. So what it explains is, the fourth option is the best option for this, because it explains about the evolutionary relationships. Evolution means continuously changes taking place in the humans and also in all the different types of animals, etc. So as you all know that human beings have been evolved from the apes, right? So they how the life has been started from their backbone, how the bend took position to the up to the normal position, vertical position. So those all evolutionary evidences make us clear that some things have been evolved from their ancestors also. So like that, phylogenetic system of classification is mainly based on the evolutionary relationships. Next, second question, phenetic classification of organisms is based on. So they are asking what is meant by phenetic and what is the how this classification is based on. So phenetic system of classification is mainly based on the observable characteristics of existing organisms. For example, when you take any plant, right? So what are the things are, how the venation is there, how the flower structure is there, racemose inflorescence or cymose inflorescence, or whether reticulate venation or parallel venation, decussate or whatever convergent type, how the situation of the plant is there, and what kind of a root system is there, fibrous root system or tap root system or adventitious roots are there. So how this root system, everything based on the observable, means what we see from our naked eye based on the characteristics, existing characters, that classification is based on. That is what actually it is, a phenetic system of classification, right? Third question, a system of classification in which large number of traits are considered. What is meant by trait? The characteristic which we have chosen. For example, Mendel have chosen the 7 different types of the traits we have studied, no? That means characteristics, pod color, pod shape, and also their flower, etc. So what is meant by this traits means nothing but it is natural system. A system of classification in which large number of traits are considered means it is a natural system. This is in this system only large number of systems has been identified, right? Next, fourth question, phylogenetic classification is one which is based on. So it is based on, already we have seen, that is common evolutionary descent, nothing but how their things are changing place from one organism to the next generation, next things also. So appropriate answer for the fourth question is fourth option. Next, fifth question, A system of classification used by Linnaeus was. So how the system of classification? It is artificial system, because why it is become artificial? Because see, he has chosen mainly floral, flower culture, flower nature and everything. But in this what happened? According to the season, according to the environmental condition, the characters will continuously will change it, and it is not a constant also. So that's the reason Linnaeus classification was not accepted. It is also having a merits and also demerits, but the system what he has chosen is artificial. Next, sixth question. Artificial system of classification was first used by, same question only, like answer became question now, question became answer now. So what will be the answer here? Linnaeus. A option is correct. Next, seventh question. Classification given by Bentham and Hooker is. So what is the classification Bentham and Hooker is? Natural system of classification. So B answer is correct for that, appropriate answer. Right. Now, eighth question. Floridian starch has a structure similar to. So this is very important, and which has been asked in the NEET 2020. Last year only they have asked this question, and so many years also this question has been asked students. Okay, so what is Floridian starch and what is a similar structure to? It is similarly present amylopectin and also glycogen. So actually Floridian starch, this is glycogen. Generally in the humans also, in animals also, glycogen is a stored food product, as we all know that, right? So here also the structure which is very similar is Floridian starch with amylopectin and glycogen. Next, ninth question. It is also asked in 2020, last year only. So which of the following pairs of a unicellular algae? So they are asking pairs which are considered with the unicellular algae. So Laminaria, no, right? Is and Gelidium gracilaria also no. Anabina and Volvox, no. Anabina is a cyanobacteria, Volvox is a green algae. So Chlorella and Spirulina both together comes in one category. So option D is the appropriate answer. Right students? So as you all know that spirulina is a single cell organism which is used as a food also for some of the living organism, and it is contains more number of proteins. This is also been asked in the NEET questions also. Second year topic it is there, students. Chlorella and spirulina. Next, 10th question. An example of colonial algae. What is meant by colonial? Colonial means which is living in the colony form, right? That is why we call as colonial algae. So 10th question, what is that? Nothing but Volvox. As you all know that Volvox is living as a colonial with the help of the flagella like this. So which is having a connection with the one Volvox to the another Volvox, like Cenobium formation also taking place. NEET 2017 they have been asked this question. Next, 11th question. Which one of the following statement is wrong? They are asking wrong statement. This is very important, students, because in the examination point of view, when you are reading any question, you do not understand whether they have asked wrong or true. Okay, this is very carefully you need to answer. If you once carefully read the question, answer is very easy, and within a short period of time only you can finish the 90 questions, and there won't be any difficulty also. Only the problem when it comes when you do not read the question whether it is they are asked true or whether they have asked wrong, then only some students will keep the true only because the sentence is correct only, like that. Again after the examination, again you will be coming back and madam I kept wrong, madam, what to do? Nothing you can't do, you can't change in anything. So you have to be very cautious now. So here wrong statement. Allgene is obtained from red algae and carrageenan is from the brown algae. Yes, it is in completely wrong sentence. 2016 they have been asked this question. So 11th question. Next, 12th. Which one of the following statement is wrong? They are asking. So here again, monitor is stored food in the rhodophyceae. No, it is not in the rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae is nothing but it is in red algae, right? So that is B option is wrong. Next, 13th one. Male gametes are flagellated in. So how it is male flagellated? Male gametes are flagellated in which of the following they are asking. So that means it is an ectocarpus. Why not others? Pyrogyra and others will not be, right? So like that. Next, which one of the following is wrong about Chara? They are asking. Wrong they are asking. So that means what is the answer here? So upper oogonium okay, lower antheridium okay, globule and nucleus present in the same plant. Upper antheridium and also lower oogonium. This is wrong, right? That is C option is correct. Next 15. Which one of the following shows isogamy with non-flagellated gametes? Means though no flagella, but both are showing the similar gametes. Both are equal flagella, but here they are asking no flagella. That means they are having the same size like this. So which of the following will be having Spirogyra? So that's about the 15 questions, students. Next class we will continue the remaining other questions. Okay. Thank you for watching.